Okay, thanks for tuning in. If you like videos on WordPress, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, etc., please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you need help with any of it, head over to my website at norzer.me and we can help you out. So, and then join the Discord, and then type also in the comments what keywords you found to find this video. That would be very helpful to me. So, what we're talking about in this video is how do you use GPT-4 if you're not a paid member, if you're not paying OpenAI, right? So if you go to ChatGPT, you can see here it's right now on 3.5. If you want to go to 4, you have to upgrade to Plus, but even if you wanted to pay Plus right now, you can't because there's a waiting list. So how can you use version 4? Now there's multiple methods, but I find the easiest way is to just go to bing.com/chat. And I have this preloaded because it's very finicky. You can see here, I got it to answer what version of GPT does this use. I use custom version GPT that's based on the latest GPT-4 model, right? But if you ask it like, what version, a lot of times it'll come back and say it can't tell you. But this is definitely based on GPT-4. So the answer to the question is to use bing.com/chat. Okay, now it's answering. A lot of times it won't, like I think here, what version of GPT are you based on? Sorry, but I can't answer that question. This is Bing, and I'm here to chat with you, not to reveal my technical details. Thank you for your interest and have a nice day. So it's very, very finicky. But as you can see here, I'm using a custom version of GPT based on the latest GPT-4 model. So the answer to the question is use bing.com/chat. So it's bing.com. But you might be saying, what if I don't want to go to the web? I don't want to have to load a website. What if I want to use it in chat? Well, what you can do, if you have Skype installed, just go to Skype, new chat, Bing, and it'll add it just like a user over here. And I did what is SEO. So if you're liking this video, again, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff. Got a Screaming Frog video coming out hopefully next week. And you can see here, SEO is a term that stands for search engine optimization. So this is how you can use it within Skype. So you don't have to go to the website. You can just download the Skype app and put it in the Skype app. So hope you found this useful. Again, like, subscribe, notification bell. If you need any help, head over to Norzer.me, join the Discord below, and tell me what keywords you typed in to find this video. Cool. Thank you. See ya.